Welcome to the settings tutorial video of Asha Power Solar MPPT. Specifically, we are going to explore the lithium ferrophosphate configuration options. To access the settings, follow these simple steps. First, press the off button. Next, simultaneously press and hold the off button and the enter button for exactly 3 seconds. You'll know you've successfully entered the settings when you hear a distinct beep sound. Now that we are in the main settings menu, you'll use the 3 buttons on your device to move around. To move up, simply press the on button. To move down, press the off button. And to select the next option or setting, press the enter button. With these simple navigation controls, you'll be able to easily explore and adjust the settings to suit your needs. Let's move on to the first setting, battery type. Here, you can select the type of battery you're using. By default, the setting is set to 0, which corresponds to a lead-acid battery. However, since we are focusing on lithium batteries, let's update the setting. Using the navigation keys we discussed earlier, set the battery type to 1, which corresponds to a lithium battery. Confirm the change, and we'll move on to the next setting. This one's crucial for optimizing your lithium battery's performance. We are now on the cell number setting. This is where you specify the number of cells in your lithium battery. Use the on and off buttons to adjust the cell count. Simply press the on button to increase the cell number and the off button to decrease it. Set the correct cell number for your lithium battery and we'll proceed to the next setting. Float charging mode, one of the battery's 4 charging modes, and the rest are absorption charging mode, bulk charging mode, and equalization mode. In this mode, you'll find 3 key settings. 1. Equalization upper volt limit, the maximum voltage to boost your batteries. 2. Equalization lower volt limit, triggers auto-equalization when the battery voltage drops to a set level. 3. Periodic equalization, choose how often, in days, to run equalization automatically. Whenever the battery voltage goes below the float voltage limit, system goes to bulk charging mode and goes back to absorption and float level. Equalization is an overcharging of battery above their recommended bulk charging voltage to equalize terminal volt of all cells. Lithium batteries don't need equalization charging like lead-acid batteries do. Instead, they use a battery management system (BMS) to balance and protect the cells. Let's move on to the maximum charge current setting. This limits how much current goes into the battery. And grid to solar mode shifting. This setting automatically switches from grid power to solar power when the grid fails. Solar to grid mode shifting. When your solar power gets low, this setting automatically switches to grid power, saving your battery power for when the grid goes down. Battery low volt warning limit. Set this voltage above solar to grid changeover limit to alert low battery voltage. And battery AH. This setting is for to set battery bank capacity. Ampere charging limit. Initial charging current is limited to 20% of the battery's ampere capacity. It ensures safe, efficient charging and prolonged battery life. This setting enables S-mode intelligent grid shifting, which automatically switches between grid, solar, and battery power to optimize energy utilization, ensuring a reliable and efficient power supply. Now, let's move to the password-protected technician settings. Here, technically skilled persons can adjust ampere and volt calibration. For help, contact Asha Power's technical team for a video guide. Finally, there's the factory reset option. To restore the device to its original settings, simply change the default value from 0 to 1. Press the enter button to save your changes. The machine will now scan the battery and be ready for use. That's it. You've successfully completed the lithium settings tutorial for Asha Power Solar MPPT. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us.